Hello, what we're looking at here again today is the Burstoff water and gas leak prevention system. Now some of you out there will have seen our previous video will realise that the Burstoff is designed to close off the water immediately in the event of a burst or leak within the gas or water system. Now we have had the question put to us several times that what would happen in the case of having a burst or a leak in the system protected by the Burstoff. How would you know where the leak was situated? Which is a fair question. Now, systems that are already out there on the market, or previous systems, how they work, we believe, is they allow a certain amount of water to pass through the burst or leak before they close off. We believe it's anything between 5 and 10 minutes worth of water. So obviously this will show signs within the property of water penetration, and that will give you a good idea of where the leak is. So I'm going to show you the next stage of how the Burstoff and how the system intends to deal with that particular question. Okay, so you discover that the Burstoff system is closed off. Try to reset it, it won't reset. That indicates there's a hole or a burst or a problem somewhere within the pipework or the system. So the first thing you need to do, as in the case of water, is open up your drain valve at the bottom of the system to let out as much water as possible. Next thing to do is close that off and make sure that's closed off. Next thing is go around and close off all the water outlets, taps, whatever you can, make sure that's as watertight as possible. Now if you look here, you can see we have an extra connection on or around the inlet side here, and what this is going to be for is to inject compressed air into the system. Now this can be either through a small compressor or a small compressed air can. There are various different ways of doing that. So okay, we have an air line here connected to a small compressor. So we take the cap off here, screw on the valve, connect the valve onto there like that, screw that on. Next thing, open the valve. You can see there, that audibly indicates where the hole is in the system. I'll do it one more time. So as you can hear, that's quite audible. So quick scout around your property and that'll certainly indicate where the burst or leak is. Get that seen to, get that fixed, reset your Burstoff system, and there you'll have it, your water's back up and running. So that's how we intend to deal with that particular question. So I'd like to say again, thanks for your interest to date, and thanks for watching.